She'll be gone soon, you can have me for yourself. She'll be gone soon, you can have me for yourself. But do give, just give me today, or you will just scare me away. What we build is bigger than the sum of two. What we build is bigger than the sum of two. But somewhere I lost count of my own, and somehow I must find it alone. 24 and blooming like the fields of May. 25 and yearning for a ticket out. Dreams burn, but in ashes are gold. Dreams burn, but in ashes are gold. I'm letting go to see if you'll hold on to me. I'm in doubt of what is thought and what is real. In our room, between the shapes I thought I knew, a guillotine, a pillow with feathers like snow. I've come to a listening post, be on your lines. I'm all ears to gather clues and look for signs, but I can't hear song you sing while you try to soothe. Why are you whispering while the bombs are falling? Go easy on me. I can't help what I'm doing. Go easy on me. Oh, I can't help what I'm doing. Hello again. I buried you. Where have you been? My renegade. You came back from the labyrinth. Unlike me, you've looked for things that could be found, and the thread that guides through black times. Go easy on me. I can't help what I'm doing. Go easy on me. Oh, I can't help what I'm doing. Spoken words. In the early hours we failed to establish who was hurt most. You set yourself above that all-forgiving God you claim that you believe in. Your kind is gonna fall. Your ship is sinking fast and all your able men are leaving. Someone who's morally superior can possibly and honestly deserve to rule my world. I talk before I think. You shoot before you know who's in your line of fire. So somehow we're the same. We're causing people pain. But I stand and take the blame. You scramble to the night. Only someone who's morally superior can possibly and honestly deserve. Someone who's morally superior can possibly and honestly deserve to rule my world, to rule my world, to rule my world, to rule my world. Explain me one more time. When they kill, it's a crime. When you kill, it is justice.